Pagka natuto na maglaro niya si Lolo eh. Hindi pa sana si Lolo maglaro.
It's okay, Lulu. Be good.
It takes so long to implement that by the time
Hindi ka ngayon makaakyat, Lulu.
the economy will have moved on.
The stimulus package hopes to lower the number of children and boost housing sales.
Hindi naman masyadong
And just boost their burden in economic stimulus package.
Brittany, no. Ngayon ko lang narinig yan magkahol.
Some feel that this version may delay the relief of the tax refund as well as the housing.
Bakit nasa taas siya, mas mataas siya.
Steve Andrews, ABS-CBN News.
Be good. Good girl.
kagatin Lolo.
Good girl, Lulu. Don't bite. Lulu, no. Uy, good girl si Lulu. Ayan yun na yung pat niya.
$1 million in military.
Oh, look who's coming.
$9 million in economic